and always like, oh my god,
Oh my god.
Rosie, like, no. If
Yeah.
you really want it to work, you're going to go through a lot of
Good days
hell.
and bad days, but there's mostly bad days, and I can tell you that once you guys decide that you guys work mean together, stuck it out, stick it out.
Hi, welcome back to our channel, The Andersons.
Big up on yourself. Yeah, thank you guys for staying tuned. I really appreciate it. If this is the first time you guys are watching one of our videos, please subscribe. Not only subscribe, but like, comment, share, and all of them lovely things there.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about our journey.
Hold on, before we talk about that, babes. So today we're outside. So it might be a little bit windy, so I want to apologize if it is that I get too windy and you guys be like, ah, be a breeze man here. Apologies, right? Oh yeah, we are saying no, babes.
That cut coming out. Anyways, yes, it's about our journey, our struggles and challenges,
Tribulation.
challenges that we've been through to be where we are today. So we're gonna jump right into it.
Yeah, also though, like for many persons like just starting a relationship or you might be in a relationship for a little while, please, both parties, wanna tough it out together. You understand? It's not just rosy, you know, everything that just get up on rosy dozy. What we're gonna say?
I'm not sure what
Rosy.
Rosy.
You think everything that just get up on perfect, that's my point, at the get-go, right? Sometimes the relationships that go through the most struggles are the relationships where last,
Yeah.
right? Because like we know we're pushing up on 10 years, very close to it to be exact, and yeah, our journey, it has been like it started very rough, right? So we've been talking about it from the other day, and we say, oh man, we need to record this because trust me, we feel some stuff where, oh gosh, I just who know we know which way we come from. You
Who
get what I'm
really
saying?
knows us? Who really knows us? Because it's not everybody that knows us knows what we have been
Exactly, because
Yeah,
we're
so-
not the type for
talk about.
complain and stuff. We just roll it and go through. Hear the breeze. Hear the breeze of my complaint, but yeah, it's a very nice day still. It's a very nice day. So let's start the story now. Once upon a time,
There was this country girl and this.
town youth. Yeah. So in a previous video, we kind of mentioned how we met a bit and stuff. Just a brief synopsis of how we met and stuff, but we didn't really go in detail, right? So she's from Clarendon in Jamaica, and I'm from Spanish Town in Jamaica as well. So, like, I grew up in Spanish Town, she grew up a country. So, you know, worlds apart. For some reason, she ended up in a Spanish Town. Thank Father. For some reason, she ended up in a Spanish Town, and she was living in my community for a while. And yeah, that's how we met.
Yeah.
I saw her for a few times, and I said, I would a girl. I don't know that girl. I'm get to know that girl. I'm sending one of my friend. No name calling on the program. I sent one of my friends to do some background check on her, and you know, to be honest, background check never come back good, you know. And I say, I wonder if I still look that girl here. I'm dead, and I talk to myself. And I say, no. I just make she look me. And then she start look me, and I tell her she look me hard.
Anyways, it all went like this. My version. Anyways,
You're the lie though.
I don't tell lie. Okay. Yes, as he said that we met in his community. I was washing clothes and he passed and say hello. Check
Can't
it.
watch some for me.
Exact words. Yes, and that's how we started talking.
And then she started look me subliminally. She
didn't-
started eyes with my walk and I feel eyes in her back and I look around and I she and my heart step in the street and I say, oh, the girl is just a feature me so. You know females have a
Anyway,
there's all of this. Because you tell lie, babes, you're gonna twist up the story and make it look like so I never you look me. And that
everybody
matter,
that knows, me must say me never look you.
anyways, long and short of the story, we end up there. Where she was living in Spanish Town, she was actually staying with a quote unquote stranger.
Yes.
And the reason I'm saying stranger is because it's one of those situations where no opportunity was in the area that she grew up and stuff, so she had to come to basically town to get a better opportunity, if so be the term. So she was staying with her friend's family.
Yes.
Per se, right? So luckily that's how we met. To no knowledge of mine, when we started like dating, like you know, going out together and stuff like that, for some reason the lady who she was staying with never really liked that. But I don't know if I me she never like or she just never.
We get kicked out. That's it. Bottom line.
Around 2 months.
I was kicked out, and I went and lived with my aunt in Portmore for a month or so, and then my sister here in Canada decided that okay, I'm gonna help you out, pay your rent and all of that. So yeah, I got somewhere to live. My sister paid my rent for a period of time, and him decided to run back on me and live with me.
Well, that's true. Well, that's actually true still. So around 2 months in a relationship, she get kicked out, I should say, and then at the time we were just still trying to get to know each other. But the type of person who I am, I'm not the type of person who like what do I say? I like to help people. So at the time we were like, I was helping her to find somewhere and stuff like that. I was there, right? At the time I was quite comfortable. And when I say I was quite comfortable, I was living in my family's place. I never have nothing for myself. Don't get me wrong, I never comfortable in terms of having money and rare. I use my people in fridge, my people in stove, my people in bed. So you know the thing, when you grow up in the people and you don't force her to buy nothing for yourself, so I never have nothing. So when she ended up now I move out and she moved in a fair own place and now she only moved in with a bed.
Yeah, starter kit.
A starter kit bed to be exact.
Starter kit.
And not even one queen size bed, I tell her say yo, just one degger bed. When my friend them come look for me and they say, yo, them are. The place echo.
The furniture for you bunks over.
And I'm telling you, yo, that I was there. Like I ended up now started spending like most of my time with her in terms of where she lived, and then it ended up that like we just probably go home like once a week and I must ask. I live here so I was a normal, I used to live so we end up get a little TV, give thanks to them did invest in a little TV before. So we end up get a little TV and we little neighbor them they give a little free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi, yeah.
Keep a little company and I tell some people. Throughout that time period of time there, it did rough. I wasn't working. I quit my job because at the time my job wasn't as consistent as it should have been. So I ended up quitting my job and she ain't at work.
Oh.
She ain't at work. I mean ain't at work either. So just
wrap your mind around that.
So I had to basically try a few businesses to try just get income. But the thing is, those businesses wasn't able to grow because the money is not like you could have invest back the money in a business. Yeah, it's like you hustle it and you make some money and that have to buy a little food. Yeah. And I tell you, say, we never have no stove and we never have no fridge. Every single day, we have to buy fast food. We have to give thanks to our shopkeeper. If she watch this, Miss Sophie, big up yourself. Although you overcharge you all per time. We appreciate it enough time. Yeah, we get ice, buy ice from Miss Sophie and we put it in a little jar and so could I get a little ice water and I tell her say, yo, really appreciate it, big up yourself. Yeah, we got through that a little, and then our brother Paul decided to say, here I go. And him, they go through a little struggle himself, and him decided to say, I'm gonna go, move in because there was enough space. At least move in the furniture, though. Which we were so grateful, and we get the little stove.
With a couple little pots.
With a couple little pots.
Plates and spoon.
Give thanks, but we get the pot then without pot cover. We're laughing now, but best believe that when we were in that situation, there was nothing funny about it. When we cook soup, the pot them this small, so you have to cook meat in one pot and food in one pot, and then use the plate them as pot cover. It was so funny, but we tough it out anyway. We roll it. I remember one day particularly when we only have $50. Jamaican dollars, not Canadian dollars. And I said, boy, babes, oh, I go eat car. Well, $50, and we gotta check my Sophie. I said, my Sophie, what can I get? You know, Kalaloo round. I said, I'm looking for already, so we know Kalaloo cheap. My Sophie said, no, I'm not a Kalaloo. But one lady on the road sell Kalaloo. I said, alright, we gotta go check a lady, and we're going to a lady. The lady's not, you can see, so the lady's not a lady where sell Kalaloo. What is a lady where grow Kalaloo for your family. And we end up getting some Kalaloo from her and thing. And literally that was one of the lowest points. Apart from when I would have to make flour with water. Tell them about that, babes.
Dumpling alone. No butter, nothing. Dumpling alone.
Wow. Yeah, with water. And even throughout all of them struggles there, nobody never know. Because we tough it out and we fight it together. And then I remember that we had to move. Well, we decided to move because the rent was a little bit too expensive. So we moved back to my original community. And I tell her, say, yo, which way we move, go. Oh, the breeze I can go back to people. Which way we move was never nice. The place they run down. Dilapidated. All of the adjectives and we can use to describe a negative place to live. That was it. We feel like the house, if the breeze comes up, the house stop down over this. Literally. We were at a very low place. But it was one of those things that we decided that we had to step back in order to step forward. So we never wash our face. We just decided that we're going to just do this until we can, propel.
And we know that there were persons, our friends at the time was like, okay, then move into that old house or whatever.
Yeah, we know that chat with.
Our people around us, but we didn't watch no face.
We never watch no face because honestly speaking, there are people who are around and we can feel the energy and we can feel like they were like saying things and stuff. Because at the time, I got a job that was like way less than what the job that I had before. I was working for $15,000 a fortnight just to make this work. I never had to do it. But could I just go back on my yard? In other words. But just in order to make this work, I stuck it out, I did it, and then eventually, like 6 months into that, I got a good job. And then that job now allowed us to start eating 2 times a day. That job allowed us now to start eating 2 times a day because we weren't in the destitute situation that we were. So, and that was when we started to, rise and kind of, propel it to where we are even right now. We got a car and then, we can move around and then we start level off and we can go to KFC again and we can, Babes, remember say nothing, remember say sauce of flour, babes.
Yeah.
KFC at Christmas, You remember them days?
It wasn't Christmas, but
Yeah, get my point.
yes.
So, yeah. So pretty much, we tough it out together and we stick it out together. And then here we are.
Yeah, there's a lot of persons who don't want to go through the struggles. Meeting a guy or a girl, they just expect things to be like rosy. And always like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Rosie, like, no. If you really want it to work, you're going to go through a lot of
good days and bad days, but there's mostly bad days, and I can tell you that once you guys decide that you guys work mean together, stick it out, and I can almost promise you that it will work out. As long as both persons in the relationship decide that hey, this is what we want, and both persons are on like the same wavelength, and nobody not going with no rubbish like no, you know, like no deceiving and no pretending and none of them things. It will work. It will work. But I tell you, so I forgot forcing in some taxi, when I forgot jumping at some bus, when I forgot tread some journey on a foot, because when I forgot through that before, I can sit on the front seat.
You don't know what I eat.
Understand? Which is even right now in time people, at time me hungry right now. And like should I say, babes, I feel like to eat. I say, babes, just anything, because if I'm hungry, I just want something to eat. I don't feel for this, I don't feel for that. And I struggle to teach you them things. You understand what I'm saying? You just office, you just survive, you just make it work. You understand? And no matter what nobody wants to say. We don't tell no family or no friend them no struggles because they're going to use it against you.
Yeah.
Best
Definitely.
believe that.
Definitely. So, I'm hungry. Sorry. Just be yourself. Just love each other. Just push each other.
And support each other.
Yeah.
Right? Believing on yourself, because you guys are one of the best motivators.
Exactly.
You don't know the struggles, nobody else does. You don't know no challenges, nobody else does. It's both of you guys' responsibility for support each other, motivate and build each other, so that you can come together and create a beautiful relationship. And I can say right now that all of our struggles that we have gone through has caused us to be where we are right now, in terms of we're at a good place, in terms of I think that I'm in one of the best relationships, in terms of there's not to say that she not get from my nerves, not to say that she not get from my nerves. Of course she does, because there's no perfect relationship, but there's absolutely nothing anybody else can offer me that I can't get right here.
So no side chick down here.
Absolutely nothing. Yeah, and the same words of encouragement I give you guys, just stuff it out together. When you're still on the hungry, just hold each other and I'm looking at each other's eyes. I know so not going to bed hungry, and just know say it not last forever. It not last forever. But you have to be careful. If a man what list, you have to know says a what list man. You understand? So nobody can use the excuse there. You have to push, you have to try.
Both of you guys have to be on the same
wavelength.
You have to
Exactly.
be going the same path. One can be okay, I need house or house and family and all of that, and the next one okay, one
iPhone.
do ear, one do iPhone,
Next one, iPhone.
clothes and all of that.
And all of that. No, I feel up on the same wavelength, because I remember when we go through our struggles. One phone we have one at a time,
Yeah.
and it's a banger.
And we have to share it.
We have to share that. That's the best I heard, Kyle.
Oh gosh.
I would have to share that. And this is where I come from. But in our life, you have to just step back, go forward. And I'm saying that in church, even throughout all of that, nobody never know. Right now, somebody probably watching a video and I say, seriously?
Yes.
We never know? Exactly.
Went through a lot.
All that. Been through the storm. Now we're there at the calm. Which mode I start a farm. Right now feel for piece of can. But yo, we can't turn out this show.
No, artist.
Anyways, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe,
Comment.
like, share, and hit the notification bell. Right? Log in out now. The Andersons. Big up on yourself. Where I'm yourself.
Oh, you're gonna be the one.